Hi everyone. There was a question about being able to see a course in your dashboard, and I wanted to just give you a quick tutorial on changing the view in your Canvas dashboard so that you can see all of your courses. As you can see, I have my courses available here, but up here in this corner you'll see three dots, and if you click that, yours might appear in list view. If this is what you are seeing, then you want to change this to card view. And again, you do that by finding these three dots, and you can change it to card view. So if you're not seeing each of your courses listed out like this on your dashboard, please go to your dashboard. You can see it over here. Click the three dots and make sure this check mark is on card view. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.